How to change Snapchat notification sound. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change Snapchat notification sound, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change Snapchat's notification sound, it is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just open the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, just come to the chat page and then just long press on the chat of who you want to maybe change the notification sound off. Once you long press here, you'll find the chat settings option. You want to simply go to chat settings here, and as you go to chat settings, over here you'll be able to find this option known as notification sounds. You can change notification sounds, but the downside is that this is only available for premium users. So if you're not a premium user, you will not be able to do this. That is simply how Snapchat has been rolling out their updates lately, because you need to have Snapchat Plus in order to get the features and subscribe to the premium and to be able to unlock many things. So if you're willing to do this, you can tap the subscribe option here, and now you'll be able to see all the features over here, and just tap on the next option. Go ahead and fill in your payment information, and then you'll be able to subscribe and then change the notification sound. This way you can change Snapchat notification sound. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.